coming to one last question for all of you to answer one by one. Your mantra for the year 2020. How are you telling your team? What are you telling your team in order to get through the year? Hello.
Okay. Telling the team that there's a lot of passion for the Indian cinema industry, and we will bounce back. A strong company always bounces back. Our fundamentals are strong. Our passion is high, and we all are eager to go back and do the best which we are known for doing, is to show movies and pamper our guests.
So stick to the fundamentals, and we will bounce back.
Absolutely.
Okay, Puneet, you were talking about something called fitter for the future. Is that your mantra for the year?
So I guess all of us are basically saying that, look, what's happened has happened. We've got to figure out now what happens when life comes back to whatever the new normal may be. And what we've been talking internally, one is we are very, very clear that given what all of us are going through, empathy as leaders is something that we are very clear will need to be something that we'll have to be practicing a lot more. The second is what we call agility in our own setup, which is that, look, there is no point in saying that I have a one-year plan. Even one-year plans now have no meaning, right? But if we build the ability to be able to connect dots from our past experiences and then handle whatever new situation is thrown at it, that's the thing that we're talking of. And resilience. We're basically saying those would be empathy, agility, and resilience would be the things that we will have to be focusing on, and innovation as a route to just grow further in the future. Those would be some of the things that we're talking about internally.
Okay. Neeraj, your mantra for 2020.
I think survive.
Let's do it.
Survival is the new growth. And genuinely, I also believe for the next foreseeable future, the subscription economy and retention is also the new growth.
Very important. Anuja, as a content person, how do you look at this year?
I would fall back on my favorite word, which is integrity. I think if teams just pull out all the integrity that they're capable of, have leaner teams, work with great efficiency, work with passion to get more from less, because I can foresee budgets being impacted by what has happened in the shoots to come. So I think that, me having started in my early days from making small to medium budget films, it's something that I'm immensely comfortable with. But integrity is invaluable. You can't put a price tag to it. So I just think that if teams would summon all the integrity that they're capable of, I think that we would still make really beautiful, content and tell stories, which are bound to find viewers, because storytelling itself can never really die.
No, so true. And we need more stories to feel happier in these gloomy times. Clearly, that's the way forward.
Ashish, if I may say,
yes.
Sorry, no, just wanted to add, and one more component on this aspect of collaboration. See, ultimately, we're going to have to get demand to increase, which is consumer confidence, get the consumer back, and that is a repercussion across every industry. And there again, this industry, the broader media entertainment industry, it's the different branches of creative that are there. How do you sort of galvanize that and bring confidence back, again, is going to be a very, very critical factor. And I'm sure all of us will collaborate towards that.
No, I completely agree. I was just going to bring up a similar point, Neeraj, in my concluding 10 cents. Which is that the way we are looking at it and the way I'm looking at it, media has a pretty big role to play in getting us back. It's already played a phenomenal role in terms of dissemination of information and knowledge for the COVID, in about keeping our mental balance as well, in terms of giving us that escapism and break from the harsh world. But I think going forward, I think advertising is going to be required to prime the economy. That's a clear takeaway from my side. As supply chains come back, advertising has to come back. And I see more partnerships in what you're saying between brands and media companies to enable transactions and performance advertising, as we spoke, with the end customer. And therefore, I think media will go a long way, and we are a very important part of the industry. But I think our role will only grow more important, because post-COVID, I think that just the need for escapism, the need for knowledge will only keep going up as we all try to reinvent ourselves and come to terms with a slightly harsher reality. So concluding with Jack Ma's words, if you get through 2020 alive, you should count yourself on the right side of luck. I'll hand it over to you, Deepak, and thank everybody on the panel and thank everyone in the audience.